The Shadow Minister of Legal Affairs in the National Assembly, who spoke with this newscast on Thursday, expressed the view that the Attorney General, Anil Nandlall's motion that the Court of Appeal does not have jurisdiction to hear the appeal before it in relation to Election Petition 99 is flawed.
Heard what the Attorney General is saying, but I believe that he's misconceived, and the argument that he will advance to the court is without merit.
Forde asserted that the petitioners who represent the APNU AFC has every right to appeal the decision of the Chief Justice, Madam Roxanne George, who dismissed the petition in January on the grounds of late service on the second named respondent to the petition, David Granger.
I believe that we have a right of appeal which is afforded to us by the Constitution and relevant legislation which provide for an appeal to the Court of Appeal.
Attorney for the petitioners, Mayor Robertson, had expressed to this newscast that while it should not have occurred, late service is a common error. He, however, noted that it could have been rectified otherwise, given that Granger is not in opposition to the petition. The attorney subsequently filed an appeal at the Court of Appeal against the Chief Justice's ruling. In March, Nandlall filed a notice of motion to strike out the appeal for Petition 99, citing that the appeal court did not have jurisdiction to hear the petition on the grounds of Article 163(3) of the Constitution, which he said only allows for an appeal to a petition that has been dismissed for granting or refusal to grant leave. Nandlall further stated that since the petition was dismissed on the grounds of impropriety and the questions contained in the petition were never heard, the Court of Appeal's jurisdiction is limited.
Therefore, the Court of Appeal does not have jurisdiction to hear that appeal, because the Court of Appeal only has jurisdiction to hear a determination of these issues made by a High Court judge.
Petition 99, which was filed in September 2020, alleges that there was gross misconduct during the course of the 2020 general and regional elections, including but not limited to voter impersonation, dead voters, and missing statutory documents for several ballot boxes. Forde remains resolute that the Court of Appeal will find that it has jurisdiction to hear the petitioner's case. The case management conference for the appeal to Petition 99 is set for April 14, 2021. The appellate court must first establish that it has jurisdiction to hear the case before it can proceed. Wendell Badrie, HGP Nightly News.